The moment has come. This is probably the best simulator you've ever seen. And it's not going to cost you a fortune.
No, you're lying!
Okay, this is probably not how a simulator is supposed to really look like. But this is my start. Today we are going to Home Depot and we are finally going to buy the turf for this mat. Yeah, the turf for this hitting mat here. Putting green. I have no idea. Look, I know this isn't a fancy simulator unboxing or anything like that. It's just $200 worth of turf, loaded in the back of my car, one piece at a time. You see, I got no sponsors, no team, just me trying to build something real from the ground up. But honestly, this is the part I love, the beginning. The slow, the scrappy, the figure it out as you go kind of phase, but this is where it starts, and I hope you guys enjoy. So we're back at the loft. You know, laying down this turf doesn't seem like much. It's not a launch monitor, it's not a projector, it's just a strip of green on a padded floor. But for me, it's momentum. So the cool thing about starting this is that every time I walk past it, it'll make me push even more to get that simulator up as soon as possible. And it'll be encouraging looking at this, but let's continue with this build. Well, step one is done. Putting greens laid out. Hitting mat will come shortly, but a vision. I'm left with a vision of what's to come. I'm excited now that all this is laid out. It's really nice to see, and being able to putt for right now. You know, this is why I say starting with the mat makes sense, because you're left with something you can use. Then the enclosure, then the projector. Then again, like I mentioned, I have the PC already, and I have the MLM2 Pro. This will be my launch monitor, and I am gonna go with the GS Pro program to. I'm new to this, but I believe it's GS2 Pro. It's a golfing simulation program where I can just throw up the image in the projector and play off of that. But anyways, I'm excited, guys, and if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Specifically you, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you do. It'll help me out. This is a vision. Again, I am starting YouTube just now. Started actually 14 years ago, and I would post a video every other year. This is the year where I fully commit to it, so if you guys like what you saw, there's more to come. But thank you so much for watching. Before I go, if you've already built a simulator or you're building something similar, have any ideas, any comments, please leave them down below. I'll definitely read over all of them and respond to all of them. That's if there's any, of course. But again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and until the next one.